So in this video we're going to take a look at the Align tool. Now this tool can be used to align one object accurately with another object. So for example, in this scene here I have two boxes, a green box and a red box, and I want to place the green box on top of the red box and align it so that the center point of the z-axis is in line for both boxes, so that the green box will sit in the middle of the red box but sit on the top face. So I'm going to select the green box and I'm going to come up to my Align tool, and once I've selected the Align tool and bring my cursor back into the viewport, you can see that it's changed to the alignment tool marker. As I bring that cursor down towards my red box or my target box, you can see the cursor change again as the red box is highlighted. If I click on there, then the Align selection box appears. Now at the moment I have no alignment selection chosen in either my X, Y or Z axis. I have my current object set to minimum and my target object set to minimum. I'm going to switch this to center and center for both, and I'm going to choose the X and Y option, and as I do this you can see that as I check each axis in turn, the box jumps to align its center point. So at the moment the center point for both boxes is aligned only in the x-axis. As I choose the y-axis, you can see now that the green box is aligned down the center of the red box, which is kind of where I want it, but it's not quite right in the z-axis. If I choose the z-axis, then the green box jumps down a little bit. That's not quite what I want, so I'll switch that off and I'll click apply, because that's part of the way there. We're not quite there yet. But what I'm going to do now is, well, actually by clicking the apply button, you can see that the X, Y and Z options have reset themselves. They've switched off. Now I'm going to choose the current object. I'm going to set to minimum, and I'm going to choose the Z axis, Z position axis, because I just want this to move up and down the Z axis. You can see as I switch that on and off, it jumps up and down. Hasn't gone quite high enough yet, because the minimum face of my green box is only aligned with the center point of my red box. So I'm going to choose the maximum setting for my z-axis, and you can see now that the box has aligned itself precisely down the center line of the z-axis, but the bottom face of the green box is aligned with the top face of the red box. So that's how we can use the Align tool to set our alignment position from our current object based on our target object, and defining the position for the X, Y and Z axis. And we can also align orientation as well. So if I wanted to reorientate an object in alignment with another object, I can align it in the X, Y and Z axis, as well as adjusting the position as well. So that's our alignment tool, really useful for placing and aligning objects with other objects in our scene.